All right, scholars, for today's informational text, we're going to be reading Pirates. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to Google Classroom, open your document with Cami, and once you're there, you're going to see this. And I want to model exactly what I'm expecting that you should be doing on your own. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I'm going to read is the title. That is very important because it usually gives us a clue. And in this case, it says Pirates. So, do I think this article is going to be about pirates? Most likely. And it's adopted from the Britannica Student Encyclopedia. An encyclopedia, for those that don't know, it's a book, a heavy book that usually has really good information about many different subjects. Okay? So, the first paragraph says pirates. Once again, I think this is what the story is going to be about. Let me make an inference there. So, let's highlight it and then add a comment. Main idea. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna put a question mark just in case. Click, so it saves it. Oh, though pirates are actual criminals who sailed the seas most famously from the late 1500s to the early 1800s, many of the ideas people have about pirates have come from books and movies. These stories tell us lives and adventures and buried treasures. The stories are a mixed fact and fiction. For example, there are many colorful stories about characters named Captain Kidd and Blackbeard. Those stories mostly made up, but the characters were actual people, and they were pirates. Okay, so from this paragraph, I already have good information. I should be looking at the GBT questions so they could guide me from what exactly I'm looking at. So the main idea of this is definitely pirates. So I'm gonna take that question mark out. Main idea about pirates. Enter, so I don't forget. Something caught my attention, a key detail. Right here. The stories are a mix of fact and fiction. So that's already telling me that the author wants me to know that some of the things that I know about pirates or I've watched about movies are probably fake. So what I'm gonna write that over here, um, information about pirates sometimes is made up, fictional. Okay, enter once again so I don't forget. Scholars, this is exactly what you're gonna do for the rest of the story. I want you to always comment on the side. Why are you thinking about the annotation? Why do you think that is a key idea? What is it that the author wants us to know about pirates? Okay. If you have any questions, concern, anything as usual, please come to our synchronous session with those questions and we could discuss them together as a class. Also, I want to point out that if there's a word that you're not familiar with and you've never heard about it, underline it. Okay. Most likely, some of your classmates might not know about it, and then we could go over it and have a little bit more discussion about it. Okay. Good luck, scholars.